What's up YouTube, it is your boy Lowpes and welcome back to another video. And today we're working on the 10th gen Civic Si. We are completing the front end to a certain degree, I guess. I still kind of want a carbon hood. But we're putting a new front lip on and we're gonna put my existing Type R skirts back on. If you guys don't know, they popped off, they got a little damage. I tried fixing them quickly and we will see how they look. I just heated it up a little bit and I bent it back. It's almost winter, I just wanna put it on to complete how the car would look with the whole like lip package or skirt package, whatever you guys want to say. We did a little work to the garage. I'm going to show you guys shortly. If you remember how my garage looked previously, it was pretty dirty and pretty messed up and a lot of junk in here. We emptied a lot and we rearranged stuff. So our working space for this winter and everything's going to look a lot better, and I'm super excited about that. I'm going to show you guys how everything is. I'm going to show you the front lip we went with. I'm going to show you the Type R side skirts, how they're looking right now, and I'm going to show you the garage. Let's get to it. I'm super excited. Thank you so much for 14,000. We are almost at 15K. So close. You guys are the absolute best. I love you guys. Stick with it, stay tuned, and let's get it. If you guys remember, this was all filled with stuff over here, and we had a bunch of stuff, but this is pretty much what we're working on right now. As you guys can see, the mini fridge is there. I got my sub that I still need to install. Toolbox and all that, and we put some uppers there. What we're gonna do is put a shelf and some doors, and if you guys can see, all the walls are like a dark brown right now. This is put up some pretty much it's called MDF, so we put some MDF on these walls and we basically bolted them in, and I'm gonna have to paint it and still work on the garage a little bit, but a huge difference in how this looks, and like the amount of space I literally have on the sides now is fantastic. Like, look at this. Beautiful, nice and clean. We got a lot of this parts and stuff up there too. If you guys see that 27.1 turbo there, that is getting installed very shortly. I appreciate your patience. And yeah, what do you guys think? Still got a lot to do. I still want to paint these. We're gonna paint the ceiling with some ceiling paint, and then I might paint this white too, just to get the area looking nice and bright. But what an insane difference. To some of you guys, maybe you didn't pay too much attention to the garage, but this alone is super tidy, super clean, and we don't have that black rack in the corner anymore, so it's nice. Here is the front lip and the side skirts. I'm gonna take them out so you guys can see what we're going with, and yeah, let me show you. So we've raised the car so I can have a little more room to work underneath it. I just did one side. It seems to give me more than enough room that I need. Car's a little dirty. We'll go for a car wash after. But yeah, I'm super excited. The front end has been dying for a front lip, dying. If you guys can see, everything's been smoothened out here. No bumper holes for license plates, nothing like that. So it's super cool. And then after, I'm gonna make a relocate kit for the license plate because I've already got a little too many tickets for that. So the lip comes with some self-tapping screws, super easy. You can put some 3M if you really want to, but I think the self-tapping screws will do. And yeah, once again, I think it comes with like 8 to 10 of them. I'll reinforce it if I feel like I have to, but I don't think I'm gonna put any 3M tape for this time. I think the screws should hold just fine, well, hopefully. And then again, I'm gonna take it off to get painted throughout the winter anyway. All right, so the front lip is on. I actually really like it. I like how beefy it is. It was a little tough to put on by myself, but once Alex came, what was tough about it is aligning it by yourself. But I think we did a pretty good job. I think it looks pretty good, and it's coming together. Now we got to put on the side skirts, and I think the whole car is gonna look really good. We'll go for a car wash and probably a nice little photo shoot. God damn. It is not painted, as you guys can see. but it still looks good. I think I'm actually gonna put some tire shine on it, a little hack, make it nice glossy black for now, and then we'll paint it eventually. Or we might go with a Mugen lip. What do you guys think? I feel like I've gone through so many lips, but this one actually looks pretty good. It was a bit of a pain because the fitment's not 100%, but I think it suits the front end quite nicely. What do you guys think? All right, now I'm gonna put on the side skirts. I'm just gonna clean that up a bit so it does not scratch when we put on. Like I said, the side skirts do have a bit of damage, but I kind of want to see how the car looks with all the lips on. If I want to keep the Type R side skirts or go with like an HFP or a Mugen side skirt. So that's probably the main reason I'm doing it, but they're super easy. Put on a couple clips and screws and they'll be on. Yeah, man, this is coming together nicely. A few little things we got to fix here and there, but you guys can see the vision. So it's nice to see everything kind of coming together. Like the rear diffuser is paint matched now, and the side skirts go really nicely with it. But I don't know. I may end up changing the side skirts, especially if the front lip isn't as beefy like the Type R one. Make everything a little more cohesive and smooth, and work with the body lines of the car. I think the HFP ones would look really, really good. That might be next year, just to give you guys different viewpoints on how it's looking. But yeah, let's put on this side, and hopefully everything sits good and looks good. Basically, this is how it looks. I'm still gonna get a car wash and do a proper shoot, but I personally think that the Type R side skirts don't flow with the front lip, and even the rear has much. Even though this is supposed to be like, you know, Type R style kind of rear lip, but it looks nice to have all my lips on again, which is it's been a little while. You know what I mean? So looks pretty good, and definitely needs a car wash, but it's slowly coming together. I think a carbon hood would go a long way on this car, but I'm not even minding that lip so much. It looks pretty good on the car, but I think I may go Mugen. What do you guys like? You guys like that lip, or would you rather a Mugen one? Let me know. I think the HFP side skirts would probably suit the car. Even Mugen side skirts would suit the car a little better, but it's looking pretty good. Tire looks a little low, gotta fill that up with air, but still waiting for emblems. But I like it. Like I said, it's not meant for an SI. That's why the fitment's not absolutely perfect. But Alex and I got the best fitment we can get. It's pretty flush on the sides, as you guys can see over there. But everything else fits pretty good. Pretty happy with everything. It just definitely needs a car wash. It needs a detail by DC Auto Spa 100%. But I think I'm just gonna take it for a car wash and we'll do a little bit of a video shoot. Alright, so there it is. What do you guys think? All the lips are pretty much put onto the car. I think I might change the side skirts next season. Not 100% sure yet. Let me know your thoughts down below. The car's coming together quite nicely, and I'm really happy with the front lip. I still think I might get the Mugen lip, and I'll just run this one in the winter, and then it might be up for sale. Not sure yet. I'm still in the debates. It's still growing on me a little bit. I just want to say thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out. Do it once. Do it right. Later.